Corpus Christi with Mike's Affordable Scuba to dive Corpus Christi. Generally, we were told there's two types of diving here. The first type is on oil rigs, where you have to take a boat like 20 miles out to sea. And the other type is from a jetty. And unfortunately, the directions that we got to Aransas jetty have brought us here. And there's nowhere to dive. Everything's about waist deep in this incredible I'm quite a ways from the car, and waist deep. I'm getting brutally punished by these waves. Now, once you get below the surface, it's not so bad. Well, I don't have my gear on, but we're going to go below the surface here. You're going to see there's nothing to see. Ready? After a minute, at first it's kind of fun to, battle the waves, but after about 10 minutes, it gets to be a little brutal and taxing. So we can go walk as far as we want, but unfortunately we're really making any depth progress. Kind of like getting slapped in the face. So again, this is all we got. A good 100 yards from the car at least. Scuba shop, Copeland's, trying to figure out exactly where we're supposed to put in at to go diving. And this blanket statement said there's no good scuba diving here. Might as well go home. He's going out of business, selling the store, so if you're interested in buying it, he would be very interested in selling it. Also, then we went to a scuba dive SSI store. And she was very friendly and helpful, but didn't really say anything about driving till the road turns into ocean. Which, as you can see, got me into the ocean, but not really in a drivable location. So, in a little bit, we're going to, that was a 6-foot wave or more, 7 foot. Hey, I'm neck deep now. This might be worth doing. Look at how deep I am. Anyway, we might leave here in a moment and try to go, try to find the actual jetty location with the rocks that we're supposed to be diving at. Not a beach. So there may be more to that, but there probably won't be. There's at least going to be lunch. Alright, so for this location, I'm Mike with Mike's Portables, Scuba, signing off.